Jesus, I never been one of these. The hairy monster.
Wait, is this your first time on one of these?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
That's why I'm saying it's cool.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, I've done this.
We grew up washing our own car with our own bare hands.
No, that was back in the day.
Remember when Jason's mom used to work over there on...
well, yeah.
We went there like a couple times.
Anyways.
I don't like how these things hit my window.
Why? Oh, it's gone.
Windows!
That's bad.
Draining.
Spot free rin. I'm thinking about putting the window down.
I know. You know what? Who was it? All my cousins, because they had their kids, and it was all of them in the back, and they couldn't breathe, so they opened the door.
That is sick.
That's funny how this is your first time and you guys are all amazed about it.
Shut up.
It's pretty funny.
You're gonna be like that if we ever take you to the zoo. He's never been to the zoo.
I've been to your house, that's enough.
Oh!
That is beastie.
That hurt.
That was a
That
good
hurt. I'm telling my father.
That was a good one. Yeah, about it a bit.
That's the best one ever.
Wasn't it? Yep.
Yep, towel to clean it, right? Or are you gonna buy one?
Nemo, you asked me like if I'm an unprepared type of person.
Yeah.
Well, you know exactly that I am the most prepared person.
Not all the time.
Sometimes.
If I tell you you're gonna preach today, would you be prepared already?
Yes.
Oh. Would you?
Yeah. I'm gonna park next to this Cuban.
With the what?
Yeah. Whoa.
It has to, because the vacuum has to reach it.
Yes.
That girl just looked at me. Why is she looking at me?
She likes you. I don't know why, but
You don't know why she likes you. I don't know why she likes you. I don't know why any girl would